Okay, so here is the trunk. Okay, like just the soccer stuff is mine. The rest of it is my husband's. So yeah, it's bad. But let me show you guys. The kids are playing basketball. That's why you hear a bunch of, whoa. Okay, it's bad. All right, there's just stuff everywhere. I don't even know what that is. That's why we can't find stuff. And then here's the front passenger and my side. I do have things, so I'm not innocent here. But just look at how dirty this is. Okay, anyways, so let's go ahead, and the plan is get all the trash out, vacuum, and then go to the car wash. So let's go. So I have this collapsible bin that I bought from Sam's that I'm gonna go ahead and just use to get everything out, and then I'll, you know, put everything away where it belongs.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would.
I have no clue how this car got this bad. Like, it was really, really bad. The more I cleaned it, the more stuff I found. And like, I found stuff in the seatbelt. I mean, it was just mayhem. It feels so good to have this car clean now. But yeah, it was really bad.
Dreams of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar.
Okay, so the carpet has like stains and stuff, which I'll get with my carpet cleaner, but for now it's vacuumed. I'm gonna move on to the front of the car.
To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to, my friend. think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control.
That I ended up vacuuming the rugs of the car because they had a lot of stains on them, and I love using this little vacuum thingy. It's literally the best. But yeah, I enjoyed doing it because so much dirt came out and the stains came out, and it just worked so well.
When nothing's like home. Of all the things I leave behind, I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take a long way home. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavy. much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the
Okay, it's clean. I am exhausted. Here's the back. There was some stains on the ceiling. I was able to get them off. I showed you guys the trunk. I still have to kind of scrub that a little, but I need to eat, so I'm gonna probably do that later.